How to activate your Capital One debit card. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Here we go. Over here you can see the search box. Type in over there Capital One debit card. With that, different website option will appear. Scroll down. You'll see this one, how to activate Capital One debit card. Open this. With that, you will land to this kind of interface. Activate your debit card now. Sign in to activate now. Scroll down. How do I activate my debit card? Step 1. You have to sign into your account. Step 2. Choose the 360 checking account linked to your debit card. Step 3. Look for a button to activate your card. It's next to the debit card tracker on the website or below your balance on the mobile app. Likewise, step 4. Select activate your card and follow the steps shown. You may be asked to set a PIN to complete the activation process. And with that, you have successfully activated your Capital One debit card. So this was all for this video. Applying these steps, you can easily activate your Capital One debit card. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.